Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the Chief Crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you 2 more DIYs that you can potentially earn income on. That's right, these DIYs are very easy and they are budget friendly. So tonight's DIYs combined cost about $3.75 to make, and I think that they're cute and they are something again that you can recreate to make it your own to sell. So without further ado, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So as you can see, I am taking this Rust-Oleum chalk paint in linen white and dry brushing it across this wood piece that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And now I am spraying some of that Bond adhesive spray to the back of this card and affixing it to this wood piece. And you see me with my half beads. I am applying half beads in all 4 corners, and I will then add a burlap flower to the top of this piece. Feel free to make this your own. This is just something to give you some inspiration. You don't have to recreate this just exactly like this is. You can again make this your own to sell on Etsy to earn extra income. And now we're moving right along to DIY number 2. I am taking this heart-shaped wood piece that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I have applied some of that burnt umber paint to it, and then I will spread it using a baby white so that when the baby white meets the paint, it will act more like a stain. I want to welcome everyone back to my channel, and if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to my channel. So as you can see, I am just drying this piece with my heating tool, and now I'm looking for those little bags, the treat bags, and I am cutting them out to cut off one of the sayings that was on the front, the little heart-shaped sayings. I love you. I am cutting it in the shape of the heart, and I will be applying some of that crafting bond glue adhesive to this piece, but not before dry brushing around the edges, just to give it some character, using the Ivory chalk paint by the Waverly brand. And as mentioned, I just sprayed some of that adhesive spray to the back, affixed it on the board, and now I am going to reapply some of the adhesive spray where it did not spray or spread well. And now I am just dry brushing over the entire piece, adding a bow to the center. This makes for a great tiered tray that you can sell on Etsy or any channel for $3.50. You sell enough of them, you have earned you some income. Guys, that's all I have for you for tonight. I hope you enjoyed these DIYs. And again, make sure you don't make the same mistake I did and have this so off-centered. Make these DIYs your own. These are just inspirational pieces for you. I'm not saying that you got to make these exactly the way I did to sell, but again, these are DIY inspirational pieces for you to start thinking about ways that you can earn extra income with crafting. Guys, I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Again, please make sure you click on that subscribe button and notification bell so that YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. I would hate for you to miss any of my content. And I also want you all to have a blessed weekend. Tomorrow, Sunday, I have 2 more DIYs for you. And guys, this is the second DIY for tonight. Again, this will be great for a tiered tray. And I want you guys to know this is my sentiment towards you all. I love you all, and I pray that God continues to bless each and every one of you. And I pray that you have enjoyed your weekend and will continue enjoying your weekend as it starts to wind down tomorrow. Until the next DIY, be blessed, guys. Bye.